Friends, welcome back to AppIQ, and in this video I'm going to show you how to reset your YouTube recommendations on your Android or Samsung Galaxy phone. So in order to do this, guys, you want to quickly go ahead and open up your Gmail. It's very quick from here. Click your profile on the upper right hand side, ensure that your current account is selected, then click and manage your Google account. Now from here you want to go to data and privacy, and then you want to scroll all the way down to where you'll find YouTube history. You want to tap on that. Now from here, scroll down and you'll find manage history. So once you tap on this, you will find all your YouTube watch history here. Now you want to go ahead and click on delete. You will see the option to delete today, delete the custom time, or you can delete all time. Now to reset it completely, just simply select delete all time, and this is gonna delete. You need to confirm the delete, and that's it. Click got it. Now once you go back to YouTube, guys, your YouTube recommendations will be reset. Here I'm going to close this YouTube application for the moment. Let's open it again, and you will see that the YouTube recommendation is reset, and that's it. Very easy and very simple.